Yo, what is going on, guys? Crypto Creator coming at you again with another video, guys. Today, I wanted to talk about the Brave browser again. So this is one that I've talked about a few times on my channel. If you guys haven't seen those videos already, go ahead and check them out. But for those of you that don't already know, Brave is basically a web browser. As you can see here, Brave Rewards, they pay you basic attention token for clicking on advertisements that'll pop up in the bottom right corner every like 20 minutes, I believe. You can kind of set your rates for how many ads you want to see. You can also disable ads if you don't want to earn basic attention token, and you can just surf the web. But basically, they block all ads and trackers. And then they're basically saving you from your data being sold to third parties like Google does, which ultimately slows down your computer and it compromises your identity and a ton of bad stuff. As you can see, 49 minutes saved from all these pop-up ads and whatnot, and then 2.24 gigabytes of bandwidth saved. So just a lot of good stuff going on with Brave, the Brave browser. If you guys don't have it already, link should be in my description if you guys want to check it out. Earn some free crypto today. As you can see, I've already earned like 3.3 basic attention token, which is like a little under $1 this month. And I haven't even clicked on ads in ages. So it's definitely pretty good, efficient way of making cryptocurrency just on the side. Doesn't take a lot of energy. Ads take like 2 seconds to click on. But anyways, enough of the Brave browser, guys. Just know, if you don't know already, it is the best browser I have ever used. It is already 10 times as good as Google, which is crazy because Google has so much money that they're getting from selling all of our data, but still, data, whatever you want to call it, but still, they have a slower, less efficient browser than the Brave browser. So I think that this puppy is here to stay, and they are proving it with all the new downloads they're getting every single month. So the basic attention token, which runs on the Brave browser, this is how they kind of pay out. This is how they pay out for you clicking on the ads. So this is sitting at 26 cents, $384.3 million in terms of market cap. And I did want to read something. So one of my subscribers, I believe his name is Nick. Nick, if you're watching this, shout out to you, my man. We're going to be reading up what you typed out. He sent me this over on my email. If you guys want to email me something, go ahead. Hit that link, or I believe it's in my about page on my channel if you guys know how to get there, but you can send me an email there if you want. I might go ahead and read it on the channel, but here is what Nick had to say. So this was his number one cryptocurrency price prediction. So he went pretty conservative with 679 for 8 years, and he mentions below why he went conservative, but we're going to get into it. So first off, about BAT. Basic Attention Token was created by Brendan Eich. Brendan is a successful software developer and entrepreneur. Brendan created Firefox, Mozilla, JavaScript, and now Brave. Basic Attention Token was created to serve Brave, brand new browser, rapidly growing users. Brave is arguably the best web browser to date as far as speed, privacy, and allowing the consumer to be paid for their attention while viewing ads. Brave cuts out the middleman for content creators on the browser, allowing it to become a more profitable browser for business owners and content creators. The payment method on the Brave browser is Basic Attention Token. You may earn BAT over time by using the browser. Brave browser has many partnerships to date. A few of them are billion-dollar partnerships. The BAT token has a maximum supply of 1.5 billion in existence, which is important for token value, being that there's a finite amount, unlike the current fiat system that you are familiar with. What can you do with the BAT? The trouble for a lot of cryptocurrencies is their inability to be accepted by businesses. This is not a problem for BAT. Recent partnership with Tap Network, which will allow BAT to be spent and used for over 250,000 brand names, including Amazon, Starbucks, Apple, etc. If there are only 1.5 billion tokens, how will Basic Attention Token be scaled globally? Well, each token can be divided by up to, you guys can see how many zeros are there. So this is great for investors because if today one BAT is 25 cents, then the future can entail 0.001 BAT being 25 cents. And the BAT price has been created to rise as the Brave browser continues to grow in users. In this guy's opinion, BAT is by far the most underrated crypto on the market with little coverage, a hidden gem. I totally agree with that. I've been a heavy investor in BAT for about 2 years while the price was only at 8 cents per token and before it was accepted on major exchanges and had partnerships with big companies like Binance and Tap. So this is the reason for his prediction. So he says, let's first go back and understand what Brave browser's main objective is. The goal is to take out Google and become the number one web browser. Currently, Brave browser can outperform Google in most technical aspects. This is what I was mentioning earlier. Brave is faster, more private, does not sell your data, and doesn't force ads on you while giving content creators a better profit margin. Brave is also rumored to be pushing a video sharing platform that is going to be used as a YouTube killer. but this guy doesn't like rumors. He likes facts and he likes numbers. So let's take a look at Google's current market cap of $1.07 trillion. That is how much Google as a company is worth. Now, what about basic attention token? BAT has a current cap of $368 million, and we're talking about an asset that has not even reached the $500 million mark, competing and outperforming Google. With little advertisement, Brave is a fast-growing browser with around 15 plus million active users per month. Does he believe Brave can go all the way and take out Google completely? The fact is that nobody knows. I agree with that, but that will not be remotely required for this guy's price prediction to come to life. You see, he does believe that BAT long term will be able to take over at least 5% of Google, given the situation and the facts. He feels comfortable in that prediction. 5% of Google in total is $50 billion. And given that the BAT supply won't change, the now $360 million asset turning into $50 billion would cause the price of each token to climb to $33.96 per token. A $1,000 investment today can lend you nearly $136,000 in future returns. But why wasn't the number listed on his prediction? If you guys remember, it was a little bit lower than that. He says he likes to underestimate, and when he truly believes in something happening, he always expects only 20% of that true prediction. So he's only expecting 1% of Google's market cap to be shared, to be compromised by Brave, meaning that his true and honest price prediction for BAT long term is $679, nearly a 3,000% return. So let me know if you guys agree with this. I'm not sure if Google's market cap is coming just strictly off their browser, so that part might have been a little off, but I could be mistaken there. But other than that, guys, I totally agree with him. I think that the Brave browser is grossly underrated. I think it is honestly just a matter of time until more things like Joe Rogan mentioning Brave, until more things like that come out, and then all of a sudden everybody's on the Brave browser. People start boycotting Google once they slip up or just do something off. I really have been hating Google recently. I literally can't click on a single tab without it pulling up some random malicious software pop-up ad. It is absolutely ridiculous. It's compromising my computer. It's just a crap show, to be honest with you guys. I really am not a big fan of Google right now. So Brave browser, guys, if you don't have it already, click the link in my description. Start stacking that BAT. As you can see here, guys, there's some great potential in terms of price for basic attention token. But I think if you're just a good human that likes things that are, kind of clean and open, and you don't like sketchy things like Google selling your data, whatever, I think that you got to go ahead and get that Brave browser and get your friends and family to do it as well. I'm sick of these companies like Google making an absolute killing off of compromising our identity. No one's doing anything about it, and they're just avoiding it because they have the best lawyers in the whole entire world, and they have all the money. They control everything. So let's do your part, guys. Protesting Google. Go ahead, get yourself the Brave browser. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think Brave Basic Attention Token is going to go to in terms of price, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.